we are taking it back to the start of the tuner revolution. We took design cues and a signature look from the early 2000s and brought it back with some style. I'm talking about our new single exit exhaust system for the 11th generation Civic and 5th generation Acura Integra. What's there to say about this? I mean, look at it. It's big, loud, and awesome. This is a unique system that we love and helps bring a little style and separation to your 11th gen exhaust system. But don't get it twisted. Just because we have a classic tuner look doesn't mean we have old tech under here. This exhaust is one of the best ones on the market. We're talking full T304 stainless steel pipes, gasket, and hardware. 3-bolt flanges for a leak-proof system and a tuned resonance for a clean, crisp sound. Our resonator is tuned with a unique sound that has reminiscence of old Hondas from the late 90s and early 2000s. Just take a listen for yourself. We also made this system to fit a variety of models: naturally aspirated, turbo, Civic, Integra, L15, K20. We got you covered with a range of fitments. Regardless of the model, this kit will simply look epic under your ride. I'm excited to bring back this style of exhaust to you guys, and we hope you love it and can't wait to see it on your ride.